Ngizothanda ukuthi ngikubingelele ngiphinde futhi ngikwamukele khona la kuZimi Live. Uma nje ufuna ukuhlezi updated ngokwenzeka khona la eMzansi, ungakhohlwa ke nje mbukeli ukuthi ke usubscribe kule channel and uphinde phela uklikhe leyo bell for ama notification. Namuhla ngiphethe udaba oluthinta uDaily Malinga odlala ke indawo kaMamzobe lapha kumkhokha. Isematheni ke indaba kaDaily Malinga emva kokuba ke wine indondo ye-Best Actress lapha kuma-KZN Film and Television Awards. Bekushubile ke lapha kwi-Best Actress ebenominatwe noNomzamo Mbatha walapha kwiShaka Ilembe, waphinde ke futhi wanominatwa noNokwe Mseleku odlala lapha kwi-Outlaws yakwaShowmax.
In fact, I feel honored. I'm super excited. And for the first nomination, Yom Boka, because last year I won as a supporting role, The Redemption. But this time is different. You know, being recognized at home, guys. At home. Yo.
So injalo ke mbukeli yona ke video yakhe uDaily Malinga ebonga ke lapha isupport ebonga ke nama KZN Film and Television Awards. Irole yakhe uDaily Malinga lapha kumkhokha abantu ke nje abaningi bayayithanda, bahlezi ke bemvuma for italente noma izeke abanye ke bebuye beshiceke bekhaleke ngendlela izinto ezenzeka ngakhona kumkhokha, kodwa ke bahlezi nje bemvuma for italente. Okuyiyona ke into ebalulekile nakho ke njengamanje uwine nje i-Best Actress lapha kwaZulu Natal. Ngithi ka simbongele simhalalisele. Yizo ke lezade ngikuphathele zona ke mbukeli, ngicela ke nje ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukulike and ke usubscribe. Ake ngithi ke nje mbukeli, danke, ngiyazi bongela.